Okay, hello everyone. My name is Vicky and my number study is 220-5531 and 007. In this video, I want to explain the Manufacturing, Engineering and Technology book chapter 13, the half metal rolling process and equipment. So here it goes. The first one is introduction. Rolling reduces thickness or change shape using compressive forces from rolls massed metal around by 90% go through rolling. Hot and cold rolling give different advantage. Next, in this figure, show you a slab. One of the basic product obtained from continuous casting before rolling. Next, billet. This figure show you a billet. One of the basic product obtained from continuous casting before rolling. And last is bloom, which is another cast product used as starting metal from several rolling process. Next, the flat rolling process. The flat rolling process is the trip enter thick and excess thinner. Friction helpful the metal and roll force depends on coating lag, weight and metal strength. Next, okay, the figure 13.2 is show you about flat rolling machining, showing the roll gap, friction force and roll force acting during deformation. Okay, still on 13.3. This mill configuration for height, 2 height and 3 height of different stiffness and rolling capacitability. Okay, this slide is show you the cluster or Senzimill mill, which uses small working rolls supported by large backup rolls, ideal for thin and strong material. Next. Okay, next is rolls may bend or flatten under load. After racking strap thickness, chambered rolls help conquer this. Spending occurs when width increases, the thickness directs. Okay. This slide figure 13.4 show you roll bending and how chambered rolls help product uniform strip thickness. Next. Okay, the geometric consideration is demonstrative spreading where the strip wends during rolling. Okay, flat rolling protect. Hot rolling reference grain structure, slabs, blooms, and billets. Each lead to different product. Cold rolling improves accuracy and leaving improves strip flatness. You can see on the figure 13.5. The figure 13.5 is show you about the deformation elongation grain. Next. Okay, still figure 13.5. Next. Okay. Now common defects include high edge zipper, crack edges crack, and alligatoring often caused by non-firm deformation. Next. Okay, this slide show visual example of the main rolling defect. Next. Radical strands develop due to uneven deformation. Cold rolling products tiger tolerance and better surface finish than hot rolling. Okay, this diagram show you how radical stress pattern vary depending on roll diameter and reduction. Next. Okay. Rolling mills come in the configuration such as 2 height, 3 height, and 4 height, cluster, and tandem mills. Lubrication depends on whether the process is hot and cold. Next. Okay, the figure is show you the real example of an industry rolling mill setup. Okay, this is a Tidum rolling line where the strip presses struck several stand and reach the desired thickness. Okay, next. Shapes rolling from profile like beams, channels, and rise using a sequence of shaped rolls. Next. Okay, the figure 13.20 is show the early stage in forming a beam tuck shapes rolling. Next. This slide continues the steps of shapes rolling until the final beam shapes is formed. Next. Still the figure 13.13 is the example of product made by roll forging. Okay, next. Skew rolling is commonly used to produce steel bills continuously from rod stroke. Next. This slide show the ball production through skew rolling and upsetting process. Okay, you can see on the figure 13.16 is ring rolling expanded thick ring into largest diameter with good dimensional accuracy and strong grain flow. The figure 13.17 is show you various ring rolling shapes and cross section. Thread rolling from thread by gold working producing stronger thread with high production rate. Okay, we goes to tube rolling. Okay, the tube rolling is dice and the improved grain flow in rolled dice compared to machine one. Next. Okay, the figure 13.19 is rotary tube piercing creates seamless tabs by forming a cavity in the center of a solid bar assisted by a mandrel. The first mills is reduction method and wheel thickness using fixed or floating mandrels or bilger rolling. Next. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you very much for watching.